If you're moving to a new rental property, be sure to know how to recognize and avoid this trending fraud. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy, and finding a new home is already stressful enough, and finding the right long-term rental in an inflationary market is really a challenge. Scammers know that and are taking advantage of this vulnerability during this time, so make sure that you watch out for these red flags when finding a new rental. Number one, make sure the listing is legit. If you see the same property listed on multiple sites but by different people, one of them may be a scammer using the real listing to hopefully gain personal information. Number two, if the rent for the property seems too low compared to everything else in the area, it may not be a stroke of luck and may instead just be too good to be true or real. Number three, if you're asked for money or information before even seeing a property, there may not actually be a rental. So if you're unable to go see it in person, see if a trusted friend could go for you or request a tour via FaceTime or video chat. Finally, if you're asked to pay for a property by wiring money, sending a money order, or paying cash, you'll have a difficult time tracing any payment if the property turns out to be a scam. If you do ever come across a rental scam, report it to your local police and then the FTC at ftc.gov. And if you come across a listing on websites like Zillow or apartments.com, report it directly on their sites to help others out. Want to know about the next scam? Head to cyberguy.com and be sure to sign up for my free newsletter.